when I started to work in government and was able to serve my fellow Jamaicans and really being able to apply what I know to help, I think that really drives me. And certainly over the years, the gratitude and being able to see people do better. So children have better learning outcomes and people feel safer and people have access to potable water. All the things that I've really been working on, those are ideals for me.
It is this tenacity and passion for social and national development that has earned Omar Sweeney a well-deserved recognition in the form of a national award. To be more specific, the Order of Distinction rank of Commander, which he will receive on October 17.
It was an overwhelming feeling because, I think so much about, it's almost like for a moment your career flashes in front of you, And I think about the tremendous support I've gotten from my staff here at JSIF as well as across government and most certainly my family.
On behalf of my entire family, we're immensely proud of this distinguished honor which has been bestowed on Omar, my husband.
We are all very proud that he has achieved this recognition, by the government of Jamaica.
When I entered public service nearly 20 years ago, I certainly didn't enter with this anticipation of being awarded nationally. Certainly over the years, I've tried my best as a public servant to give good value to the country of Jamaica, and the fact that it has been recognized in this way is a gratifying feeling.
His recognition is twofold, being given for his contribution to the public service, but in particular the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, through which most of his work is being carried out. As Managing Director, he has been leading the execution of several impactful social intervention and infrastructural projects within vulnerable communities across Jamaica.
I have an image of a Jamaica where, everyone has an opportunity to really live their best life. And that's what I work for, and that's what drives me.
I have worked with him for the past 12 years at JSIF, and throughout that time we have traveled the length and breadth of Jamaica. He has been a phenomenal leader, and what I have observed is that he has a genuine interest in the welfare of others.
I can attest that he has worked tirelessly across Jamaica, sometimes in uncharted territories, to serve the ordinary people in the various communities. It has been a great sacrifice for the family because sometimes his working hours are quite lengthy, but we have been very supportive and cooperative over the years because we know of his passion for addressing the needs of the vulnerable.
An engineer by profession, Mr. Sweeney has been giving quality service to both the private and public sectors, even at the board level.
I really like to think that it's the same, but a little bit different. And for me, obviously I have leaned more towards the public service because I just believe that there's just greater reward there and satisfaction.
I have known Mr. Sweeney for a number of years, and of course, we are very much aware of his stalwart work here at JSIF.
As a member of his senior management team, I have personally benefited from his mentorship. I particularly admire him for the way that he leads highly skilled professionals. And I think that he's able to get the best out of you.
Team JSIF is 100 people, 100 experts in their own areas, economists, quantity surveyors, engineers, architects, financial specialists that really stand behind what I represent. They do the hard work, they really make sure that the quality is there, the accountability is there.
I think that he's an outstanding individual, he's an outstanding leader, and I think that the award is well deserved.
I was pleased that he was recognized in this way and awarded for his public service and for his excellence in his work.
I take this opportunity to wish him continued success in being a faithful public servant to the people of Jamaica. Congrats, Omar.
It's just been an overwhelming period that I'm enjoying, certainly, and I just really look forward to continuing to serve.